Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is class 3 of your percentage topic, and this is gonna be the final video. One thing, there is some background noise, okay, because your kids are playing, so please don't get distracted by the background noise and excuse me for that. Okay, so today we are gonna do the third topic or the third class of the percentage topic, and this will be the last class of percentage topic. After that we're gonna move for the ratio topic maybe tomorrow. Okay, so whatever important topics, concepts that were there in the percentage we have covered so far till lecture 2, and we'll be seeing more in this lecture. Okay, so जितल्या पर्यंत आशिल्ल्या तितल्या पर्यंत केला. या लेक्चरान आणि कितें चड आसा जाल्यार आमी तें पळयतले आयज. Okay, so let's move forward. When the price of a magazine was reduced by 10% and the sale was increased by 30%, the total revenue will be same concept. Your question is that is price into consumption is expenditure. Okay, revenue is nothing but expenditure only. So hanga कितें जाला, this is your price, this is your consumption. So price of a magazine was reduced by 10%. What do we know? It is 1 by 10. So your 10 asa जाल्यार your 9 जाला. The sale was increased by 30%, means 30% nothing but 3 by 10. Your 10 asa जाल्यार 10 plus 3 13 जाला. This is nothing but 100. This is nothing but 9 3s are 27 and 117. Okay, so the total revenue will be how much increase or decrease? Hanga kitlo increase zala? 17% increase zala. So option B. Okay, simple, no big thing. The price of a sugar has been reduced by 10%. How many quintals of sugar can be purchased for the same money? Okay, this is very important. For the same money, which was sufficient to buy 18 quintals at a higher price. Okay, this is also based on the price and consumption is expenditure. What do we mean by same money? Same money means same expenditure. Okay, same money means same expenditure. When expenditure is same, your price and consumption, these are inversely proportional to each other. Please remember this concept, by the way. Such type of inverse relationship is very useful in your time split distance topic as well. Okay, I will show you later when we will do time split distance. So for the same money we have price as, what is the price? The price has been reduced by 10%. If it is 10, it becomes 9, and price is inversely proportional to your consumption because revenue is same, your money is same. It becomes 9 by 10. Okay, how many quintals of sugar can be purchased for the same money, which was sufficient to buy 18 quintals at a higher price? What was the higher price? This one. Okay, for this 18 quintals could be bought. 9 2s are 18. Similarly 10 2s are 20. Okay, so how many quintals of sugar can be purchased for the same money? It is 20. Okay, due to 25% reduction in the price of wheat per kg, John is able to buy 5 kg more for rupees 600. What is the original price per kg of the wheat? Again on the same concept, price into consumption equals to expenditure. Guys, remember here expenditure is same. How? Let me show you. What is happening over here? 25% reduction झाला प्राइसान, तेका लागून जो जॉन आसा 5 kg मोर वीट तो परचेस करपाक शकता. ओके, हांगा कांयच चेंज जायना. 600चेर तो जितले परचेस करतालो तितलोच प्राइस रिड्यूस जाला, तेका लागून 600चेर तो आनी चड परचेस करपाक शकता. तरी सुद्दां अजून एक्सप्लेन करून समजयता तुमकां. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक एप्पल आसा, एक एप्पलाचो प्राइस आसता हांगा 5 रुपया. ओके, एक एप्पलाचो प्राइस हांगा आसता 5 रुपया, आनी आमकां 100 रुपयाचे एप्पल घेवपा जाय जाल्यार आमी कितले एप्पल घेवपाक शकता? 20 एप्पल घेवपाक शकता. आतां ह्या एप्पलाचो प्राइस हांवें केलो 2 रुपया. ओके, 2 रुपया गेलो, आनी 100 रुपयाचेर आमी कितले एप्पल घेवपाक शकता? 50. सो 100 रुपयाचेर आमी एक्स्ट्रा कितले घेतले? 30. हे 30 कित्याक लागून जाले? बिकॉज जो 5 रुपयाचो पयलीं आसतालो तो 2 रुपया एप्पल जालो, तेका लागून 100 रुपयातच आमी 30 एप्पल चड घेवपाक शकले. ओके, सो तेजो मिनींग होच आसा जो हांगा दिला. ओके, हो तुमचो प्राइस, हो तुमचो प्राइस. 25% रिडक्शन जाला. 25% हाउ मच? 4. सो 4 by 3. Okay, since your expenditure is same, that is 600 is same, your consumption is inversely proportional 3 by 4. आणि हे कंजम्पशन अशें जालें तेका लागून आमी 5 kg एक्स्ट्रा घेवपाक शकता. 5 kg एक्स्ट्रा मीन्स 1 part is 5 kg. 1 part 5 kg. ह्यो कितलो जातलो? ह्यो जातलो 15 kg. ह्यो कितलो जातलो? 20 kg. Okay, so what is the original price per kg of the wheat? This is your original price, means तुका 600 divided by 15 करचो पडटलो. ओके, 600 divided by 15. So 600 divided by 15 kg is 40 rupees. So answer is C. Okay, ह्यो समजूंक ना जाल्यार हेतून तुमकां क्लॅरिटी मेळटली अजून, बिकॉज सेम प्रॉब्लम आसा. अ रिडक्शन ऑफ 20%. in the price of wheat enables a housewife to obtain 4 kgs more for rupees 1200. What is the reduced price? Similarly 1200 रुपये जी आम्ही वस्तू घेताले विदाउट एनी रिडक्शन ती घेतालेच आम्ही, बट त्याचा प्राईस भाई आता कमी झाला. त्याचा प्राईस कमी झाला त्याका लागून 1200 आम्ही चढ वस्तू घेवपाक शकता आता. ओके, सो ह्यो तुजो प्राईस दिला हांगा 20% रिडक्शन झालं. 20% नथिंग बट 1/5. ही 5 जालो रिडक्शन ताका लागून तो 4 जालो. ओके, ह्यो प्राईस तुमचो आसा. ही 100 रुपयाची वस्तू ही आतां 20% रिडक्शन जालें ताका लागून 80 रुपयान मेळटा. हे तुमी कॅन्सल करतले जाल्यार तुमकां सेम गजाल मेळटली, दॅट इज 5/4. सिंपल. ओके, हो तुमचो प्राईस. कन्जम्पशन कितलो जातलो? 4:5. ओके, ह्यो आनी सिमिलरली हो प्राईस रिड्यूस जालो ताका लागून तुमी 4 kg चड घेवपाक शकले. ओके, हेजो वॅल्यू कितलो जातलो? 20 आनी हेजो 16 kg. ओके, वॉट इज द रिड्यूस प्राईस पर kg? रिड्यूस प्राईस पर kg आमकां ह्यो फायंड करपा जाय 20. ओके, 1200 अपॉन 20 kg इट इज नथिंग बट ह्यो 60 रुपीज. सिंपल, इतलेंच आनी कांयच ना हितून. एंड मोस्ट चान्सीस आसा ह्यो क्वेश्चन येवपाक शकता तुमच्या एग्जामीन. सो प्लीज मेक शुअर यू अंडरस्टँड दीस. सी द व्हिडिओ अगेन एंड अगेन की हांवें केला कितें रायट नाव. ओके, 2 एक्झाम्पल तुमकां दाखयले हांवें. अगेन सेम एक्झाम्पल, अजून क्लॅरिटी मेळटली. आफ्टर 20% रिडक्शन इन द प्राईस अ बायर बायज 1 डझन मँगोज मोर फॉर ₹50. 50 रुपयाक पयलीं जितलो तो घेतालो तितले घेतालोच तो, बट तेजो 20% रिडक्शन जालो प्रायसाचो. ओके, जितले रेटार तो घेतालो तेजो मातसो प्रायस शॉपकिपरान कमी केलो, ताका लागून गिरायक जो आसा तो 50 रुपयाक चड परचेस करपाक शकलो. ओके, ह्यो आमचो प्रायस. 20% रिडक्शन मिन्स 5 आशिल्लो पयलीं 4 जालो. कन्जम्पशन कितलो? इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. ओके, हेका लागून कितें जाला? 1 पार्ट इज नथिंग बट ह्यो 1 kg. 1 kg जालो ह्यो 5 5 उरतलो, ह्यो 4 पार्टाचो 4 उरतलो, बिकॉज 5 into 1 is 5, 4 into 1 is 4. ओके, सो वॉट इज द रिड्यूस प्रायस ऑफ द मँगोज? आमकां ह्यो फायंड करपा जाय. 50 upon 5 because 5 is the reduced price. Okay, so ₹10. Option D. This is a simple problem. Vikas spends 80% of his salary and his salary is increased by 25% and his expenditure is increased by 15%. Okay, what is the percentage increase in his savings? Guys, remember one thing, this is a concept. Income minus expenditure is saving. If you have income as 20k and you expenditure, the पैसो जो तू खर्च करता तो 10,000 खर्च करता, तुझ्याकडे उरलो कितलो? 10,000. ओके, this is the simple concept of that. Now also remember one thing, income is always considered as 100%. Why? Because जेन्ना तुमकां कोण सॅलरी दितलो, खंयच्यानी तुमी पयशे कमयतले ते तुमकां 90% कमोवचे ना वा 80% कमोवचे ना. जितले तुमकां सांगला तितलेच कमयतले. सो एवरी टायम इनकम इज कन्सिडर्ड एज 100% ओनली. ओके, सो विकास कितलो स्पेंड करता? 80 and your income is 100, so savings कितली आसा? 20. Your salary is increased by 25%, so yeah 125 जाता, and your expenditure is increased by 15%. Let us find what is 15% of 80. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 5 3s are, so 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 80 will give you how much? 92. So 125 minus 92 is how much? 5 minus 2 is 3, 9, 12 minus 9 is 3. So हांगा कितलो increase जाला? हांगा जाला 13चो increase on 20 into 100. This and this gets cancelled. 2 5s are 5 13s are, it is nothing but 65% increase in your savings. Option D. Simple. The price of a petrol increases by 52%. By what percent should its consumption be reduced so that the expenditure on it increases by only 14%? Again, same concept. Price into consumption is expenditure. आमचो प्राइस कितलो वाढला? The price increase by 52%. 100 आशिल्लो 152 जालो. Consumption आमकां पळोवपा जाय न्हू, तो कितलो रिड्यूस जाता? C1 upon C2. Expenditure on it increases only by 14%. ओके, ह्यो 100 आशिल्लो ह्यो 114 जाला. हे 2 100 कॅन्सल जाता. C1 upon C2 कितलो? 152 upon 114. ओके, हो आमकां कट करपाक मेळटा. 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. ह्यो आमकां 19तल्यान कट करपाक मेळटा. 19 4s are and 19 3s are. सो कितलो रिड्यूस जाला? 1 रिड्यूस जाला 4चेर into 100, that is 25%. ऑप्शन सी. सिंपल, आनी कांयच नसलें हितून. A student secured 65% marks in an examination, but it was 20 less than the qualifying marks. Another student secured 80% in the same examination, and these marks were 10 more than the qualifying marks. दोन स्टुडंटाची तुमकां कंडिशन एक्सप्लेन करता. व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट प्रॉब्लम बट व्हेरी इजी. ओके, ही रेंज धर, हे अज्यूम करा तुम्ही दॅट दिस इज क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स एक्स. ओके, ह्यो स्टुडंट आसा वन, तो 65% अप्रॉक्स इतले मार्क्स तो सेक्युअर करता, 65%. बट तेंच्यांनी कितें दिला, इट वॉज 20 लेस देन द क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स. 20ची एका शॉर्टेज पडता. सपोज हे 65% प्लस 20 केल्ले जाल्यार तो क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स तेका मेळता आसले. ओके, 65% प्लस 20 आशिल्ले जाल्यार तेका क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स मेळता आसले. ओके, दुसरी कंडिशन आतां, दुसरो सेकंड स्टुडंट आसा, हे कन्सिडर करा तुमी क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स. तेका 80% इन द एग्जामिनेशन मेळता. ओके, 80% फूल मार्क्स मेळटा तेका. ओके, फूल मार्क्स मेळटा 80% इन द एग्जामिनेशन एंड दीस मार्क्स 10 मोर. बट तेका 10 एक्स्ट्रा सुद्दां मेळटा. ओके, बट आमकां 10 एक्स्ट्रा नाका, आमकां क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्सूच जाय. ओके, हे तेका 10 आसा ते एक्स्ट्रा पडला, आमकां ते 10 एक्स्ट्रा नाका. ओके, सो आमी कितें करता, 80% मायनस 10 वीच इज योर क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स. सो क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स इक्वल टू क्वॉलिफाईंग मार्क्स आमी इक्वेट करपाक शकता, रायट. सो आतां कितें, 30 इक्वल्स टू 80 मायनस 65 इज नथिंग बट 15%. सो 1% वॅल्यू कितलो, 3. 1% वॅल्यू 3, then 100% वॅल्यू is 300. Simple. I hope you understood this because I cannot explain more easier than this. Jack obtained 45% marks in a test and failed by 18 marks. If he obtained 65%, he would have got 6 marks more than the minimum marks required to pass the test. Jack had obtained 45% marks in a test and failed by 18 marks. He failed by 18 marks. अगर 18 marks ज़्यादा मिलते तो पास हो जाता. If he had obtained 65% marks more than the minimum marks required, he would have got 6 marks more. We need to cancel 6 marks. So 18 plus 6 is nothing but 24 and 65 minus 45 is 20%. So 1% is how much? 1.2. If 1% is 1.2, then 100% is 120, 120 marks. Okay. In an election, very important problem. In an election, 90% of those entitled to cast vote their ballot, 80% of the votes cast were valid. The winner got 60% of the valid votes. If the winner got 64800 votes, what was the number of people entitled to vote? Let us consider the total voters as 100. 90%. See, 90% of those entitled to vote cast their ballot. So 90% people voted. Of this, 80 were valid. And 80 were valid. The winner got 60% of the valid votes. 60% of the valid votes. If the winner got this many votes, 64800, then what is the number of people entitled to vote? We need to find the value of x. Okay, very simple. X into 9 by 10, 4 by 5 into 3 by 5 is 6, 4, 8, 0 and 0. Okay, so what do we have? 4 16s are 64, 4 2s are 8, 0 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 0 0, 9 6 are 54, 0 0. So x is nothing but 600 into 10 5s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 10 250. So we have 1 2 3, 6 5s are 30 and this is 15. So 1,50,000. Simple. This is an important problem. In an election there were only two candidates. The losing candidate, guys, the losing candidate got 48% votes, okay, of the total votes. His opponent got 6,000 more votes and won by margin of 3 votes. His opponent, that is the winner, he won by margin of 3 votes, means 48% plus 3% is 51%. And also it is given that if he wins by a margin of 3 votes, this 3% is nothing but 6,000. So 1% is 2,000. We need to find what was the number of invalid votes. So guys, this was your total votes. These are your valid votes of loser. These are your valid votes of winner. So 100 minus 48 minus 51 is 100 minus 91, that is 1% is your invalid votes. And what is 1%? It is nothing but 2000. So answer is B. In an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters enrolled in the election. Okay, 75% of the voters enrolled in the election, out of which, let this be the total number of votes enrolled. 75% of the voters enrolled in the election, which is nothing but 75% is 3 by 4, out of which 2% were declared invalid. If 2% were declared invalid, then how many were valid? 98%. A candidate got 9261 votes, which was 75% of the valid votes, means 3 by 4, and he got 9261 votes. Okay, so now we have to solve for 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26, 3 7s are 21. Okay, again 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 29s are. Okay, so x into 98 upon 4 into 100 into 4 is 1029. We try to cancel this by 98. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so we have x into 49 upon 2 10s are 20, 80 is 1029. Okay, so x is nothing but 1029 upon 49 into 80. So 1029 upon 49, how much do we get? It is 21. It is 21 upon 80. 0 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So somewhere around this. Okay, we have made some calculation mistake, I guess. That's for 10 we are getting as less, but your answer should be 1680 only. So guys, this question can be solved using mixture and alligation, by the way, because when you are given two things and you are given total of that, that can be solved using mixture and alligation. I will show you that in my further topics where I will solve mixture, alligation and all that. Okay, that topic. So in a firm, the average salary of male workers, so this is your male, this is your female, average salary is 5200, female is 4200, and the average salary of all workers is 5000. Okay, we neglect the zero part. Okay, we just write the 52, female is 42, and the average salary of all the workers, it is 50. So we apply the allegation. 52 minus 50 is how much? 2. 50 minus 42 is how much? 8. Ratio of this is what? This is 4:1. Okay, the average salary of male workers is so and so. What is the percentage of the male workers in the firm? Male is how much? 4. Total is how much? 4 plus 1, 5 into 100. 4 by 5 into 100 is nothing but 80%. Simple. Okay, again here also we can apply mixture and alligation, but I will show you how. The total population of a village is 4000. The population of the village becomes 4500 when the number of male and female increases by 10%, 20% respectively. What was the number of males in the village before the new members arrived? Guys, we know initial population 4000 आशिल्लो, मागीर कितले जाता ते 4500 जाता. सो गायज कितले पर्सेंट वाढता आहे एक्झॅक्टली? ये 500 वाढलो ऑन वॉट? ऑन 4000 इंटू 100. ये आमचे 2 0 कॅन्सल, हे 2 0 कॅन्सल, यो 1 0 कॅन्सल. ओके, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. सो 25/2 एक्झॅक्टली कितलो? 12.5% आमचो वाडला. ओके, ह्यो याद दवरा, 12.5% ओवरऑल वाडला आमचो. ओके, सो हांगा जाता आमी मिक्सचर आनी एलिगेशन लावू शकता. ओके, पॉप्युलेशन, द नंबर ऑफ, ह्यो आमचो मेल जालो, ह्यो फिमेल जालो. मेल कितलो वाडलेलो आमचो? 10% वाडला. फिमेल कितलो वाडलेलो? 20% वाडला. आनी ह्यो ओवरऑल कितलो वाडला? 12.5% वाडला. ओके, सो 20 मायनस 12.5 कितलो? 20 मायनस 12 इज 8. 8 minus 0.5 is nothing but 7.5. ओके, 12.5 minus 10 कितलो? यो 2.5. हेंचो रेशियो एक्झॅक्टली कितलो येता? 25 3s and 1s. 3:1 हेंचो रेशियो आसा. सो वॉट वॉज द नंबर ऑफ मेल्स इन द विलेज बिफोर द न्यू मेंबर्स अरायव्ड कितलो आशिल्लो हेंचो पॉप्युलेशन 4000. ह्यो 4000 आसा हेचो रेशियो आसा 3:1. सो 4 पार्ट इज नथींग बट 4000. 1 पार्ट तुजो आसतलो 1000. सो नंबर ऑफ मेल्स इन द विलेज, दीस इज मेल्स, ह्यो कितलो आसतलो 3 into 1000, दॅट इज 3000. ऑप्शन डी. ओके. Maurice spent 25% of his income on food. He got an increment of rupees 10,000, but he did not expand his expense on food stuff. Therefore, his expense of food decreased to 20%. What was his initial income? मॉरिस आशिल्लो, त्याने आपल्या इनकमाचे 25% फुडार स्पेंड केले. तेच्या मागीर कितें जालें, तेका 1000 रुपया तेजे इनकमाचेर तेका इन्क्रिमेंट मेळ्ळो. ओके. बट त्याने फूड स्टफार आजून पयशे काही खर्च करूं ना. तेका लागून तेजो जो एक्सपेन्स ऑलरेडी आशिल्लो तेजो 20% तेजो टोटल आयलो. ओके. सो आमी अज्यूम करया हेजी इनकम एज एक्स. ओके. बेस्ड ऑन द क्वेश्चन, बेस्ड ऑन द डेटा दॅट इज गिवन, ही अप्रोच मॅटर्स बाय द वे. अशें ना की वन अप्रोच फिट्स ऑल, तशें वचना आमी केन्ना. ओके. आमी इनकम एक्स अज्यूम करया. सो ह्या इनकमाचो त्याने 25% खर्च केलो. 25% कितलो 1/4. सो ह्यो तुजो जालो एक्सपेन्स x/4. हेच्या मागीर कितें जालो, 1000 रुपया वाडले तेजे इनकमाचेर, बट तेणे एक्सपेन्स काय वाडोवंक ना. ह्यो x + 1000. ओके. तेच्या मागीर हीज एक्सपेन्स ऑफ फूड डिक्रीज टू 20%. सी, इट इज डिक्रीज टू 20%. इट इज नॉट डिक्रीज्ड बाय 20%. 20% पर्यंत येता. 20%आन तो कमी जायना, 20% पर्यंत येता. दॅट मिन्स 1/5 इज x/4. So now x/5 plus 200 is x/4. So 200 is nothing but x of 1/4 minus 1/5. 200 is x into 5 minus 4 is 1/20. So आमचो x कितलो, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 3, 4000 rupees. Simple. To pass an exam, 50% of the marks is required. The exam कितें आशिल्लें, it consists of 2 papers. ओके. एक एग्जाम आसा आमची, तेचे 2 पेपर आसा. ओके. A student scored 40% marks in the first paper of 200. What is the minimum percentage of the marks he must obtain in the second paper? So guys, very simple, very logical. एक पेपर आसा 200 मार्क्साचो, एक पेपर आसा 150 मार्क्साचो, 350 जाले. ओवरऑल त्याने कितें म्हटलां, ही एग्जाम पास करपा लागून तुका कितले मार्क्स जाय, 50% जाय. दॅट मिन्स 175 तुवें स्कोर करपा जाय. आतां सद्या त्याने कितले स्कोर केला, 40% ऑफ 200 केला. दॅट इज 2/5 ऑफ 200. हो कितलो जालो, 5 4 जा 20. सो त्याने सद्या 80 मार्क्स स्कोर केला. डिफरन्स कितलो आसा, 95 मार्क्स त्याने अजून स्कोर करपा जाय. आउट ऑफ वॉट, 150 into 100. ह्यो कट जातलो, 5 3 जा 15, 5 19 जा. सो 190/3 अप्रॉक्स तुका 63.55 or 44 कितें मेळटा. तो आमी रावंड अप करून आमकां कितलो मेळटा, 64% मेळटा. ओके. जाय जाल्यार पळया तुमी, 3 6 18 1 10 आसलो, 3 3 जा 9.33 असो कितें मेळटा. सो आमी रावंड अप करून 64 घेता. ओके. अगेन 82% ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स पास कितले जाले, 82%. आनी नॉट पास कितले उरले आतां, 18%. ते 18%तले 2% ऑफ देम वर प्लेस इन द रिएक्झामिनेशन. उरले कितले आतां, 16%. हेच 16% आसा ते एक्चुली फेल जाला. 16% इज नथींग बट 592. आमकां टोटल 100% फायंड करपा जाय कितलो. ओके. दिस इज नथींग बट 4 4 जा 425 जा. ओके. 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, 4 8 जा 32. सो x इज नथींग बट 25 into 2 148 समज करता जाल्यार कितलो मेळटलो. विल सी दीस. 2 जा 2 8 जा 16, 2 14 जा 28, 29 and 0, and 5 8 जा 40, 5 14 जा 70, 74. So 6 plus 4 10, 0, 9 10 17. So 3700. Okay. In a test, Chandran scored 16 marks out of 45. Okay, 16 marks out of 45. He has to give one more test and score 48% in order to pass. If the total marks of the second test is 80 and if he managed only to pass, then how much did he score? See, total marks पयली फायंड कर कितले आसा 80 plus 45 तुजो 125 आणि तुका पास जावपाक लागून कितले मार्क्स जाय 48% ऑफ 125. ओके, सो हे कितले आशिल्ले 25 4 जा 25 5 जा 4 12 जा. सो हे सद्या 60 मार्क्स. ओके, तुका सद्या 60 मार्क्स जाय. ऑलरेडी त्याने कितले स्कोर केला 16 स्कोर केला. सो तुका आनी कितले मार्क्स जाय फक्त पास जावपाक तुका 44 मार्क्स जाय. सिंपल. कितें केलां आमी आमकां खबर आसा एक टेस्ट आशिल्ली 45 मार्क्साची, दुसरी आसा 80 मार्क्साची. टोटल पास जावपाक लागून आमकां 48% जाय. सो आमी पयलीं टोटल मार्क्स काडले, तेजो 48% पयलो. एक्झॅक्टली एग्जामीन पास जावपाक आमकां कितले जाय 60 मार्क्स जाय. 60 मार्क्स जाले. पयल्या टेस्टान तेणें कितले घेतला 16 घेतला. सो 60 मायनस 16 केले. दुसऱ्या टेस्टान तुका 44 जाय तेन्ना तूं पास जातलो. सो आन्सर इज 44. Again, the ratio of the number of boys and girls in the school is this. We have these boys, we have these girls. This is 5 and this is 6. For your calculation purpose guys, हे consider करा तुम्ही 5 आणि 6 कॅन्सल केल्या एनिवेज 5:6 मेळटलो. 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls are scholarship. How many students do not get this scholarship? Okay, 20% means into 1/5. Okay, 20% means into 1/5, that is 100, and 25% of the girls means into 1/4, 150. हांकां स्कॉलरशीप मेळ्ळा. कोणाक स्कॉलरशीप मेळूंक ना? नो स्कॉलरशीप. 400 and 600 minus 150 is 450. हांकां स्कॉलरशीप मेळूंक ना आनी आमकां तेच जाय. हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स डू नॉट गेट दी स्कॉलरशीप? सो इट इज नथींग बट 400 plus 450. 400 plus 450 is 850 upon 500 plus 600 is 1100 into 100. ये कैंसिल जाता. We have 850 by 11%. Simple. Option D. One more. The population of a town is 9,000. 9,000 is the population guys. 5/9 of them are males. And if 5/9 of them are males means 5,000 is male, 4,000 is your female. 40% of the males are married means 2/5 of the males are married. How much it is? 2,000 males are married. If 2,000 males are married, then of course 2,000 females are also married. So we need to find the percentage of the married females. It is nothing but 2,000 females are married upon total females into 100, which is nothing but 50%. Option A. Okay. If the population of the village increases from guys 175,000 to 26,25,000 in 5 years, then the average percentage increase. We have nothing to do. We just have to find the percentage increase and divide it by 5. We get the average. We'll do this. This is 5 by the way. This is 7. Okay, so this is 1, this is 15, and this 12. 12 minus 5 7, 15 minus 7 8, this is 5 0 0. So 87,500. Okay, 87,500 is the increase. 87,500 upon 17,000 into 100. So this 2 zeros and this 2 zeros get cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. This should be cancelled by 5 only. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 5 17s are 85, 5 5s are again 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are, and this is 5 times. Okay, so it is 5%. Okay, so this is 5% basically. I guess we forgot 0 over here. This 0 over here, it should be 50. So 50% divided by 5 years, we get the average percent as 10%. So option C. Okay, so we are done with this. We are done with the percentage topic. I hope you understood all the topics. I'll share this PDF soon after the lecture. And if you like this video, then please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and please don't forget to watch those other two videos. And tomorrow we will be coming up with the ratio topic, very important to form the foundation in your mathematics, that is percentage, ratio and averages. Okay, so tomorrow we will come with a ratio. Approximately we will cover this in maybe 2 or 3 lectures. Okay, so thank you for watching so far. May you get selected and may you perform well in the exam. Bye bye.